Hello and welcome to 7915 South Broadway. Home here is built in 1914. It's got beautiful white glazed brick. Goes up top to the crown. Some really nice brackets hanging off. Beautiful architecture on the columns as well. South Broadway is a fairly busy road, as you can hear. This is a view looking south. Take you on upstairs. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath brick bungalow located just on the outskirts south of Carondelet. Carondelet is one of the oldest settlements in Missouri, originally founded in 1767, just a few years behind St. Louis City. Coming through. Home has been beautifully renovated. Ceramic floors here give you a look of wood. Coming on in and close my door. Really nice tall ceilings, have the updated can lighting. Does have some supplemental space units, space heaters. Does have furnace and air conditioner as well. Your 2 bedrooms are here to the left. This is not the original floor plan. It would have been a shotgun style when the house was first constructed. Nice tall windows. Good sized closet here. You have the ornamental fireplace. Really nice looking ceramic. They're ornamental these days. The flue liners would need to be installed, as they're currently just up for brick. Really good sized bedrooms. Walking through, we've got our 2nd bedroom here to the left. Nice new carpet. Overhead ceiling fan lighting. Really good looking. And coming through at the end of the hallway, we've got a really nice updated bathroom. Ceramic floor in here as well. Nice vanity. Coming through. Really large oversized tub. Looking back this way. We do have our basement door here to the left. I'll show you that here in a moment. We got our eat-in kitchen. Looking over this way, we've got several walls of cabinetry and countertops. Nice stainless steel appliances. Subway tile backsplash on both sides. Nice transom above, which is actually functional. Newer vinyl window. Out here we've got a really nice sized fenced backyard for the city. Does have off-street parking back here. Take you down. Looking at the rear of the building. Nice tall stone foundation. Tuck pointing looks great as well. Does have side entrance over to the south side. So here in the Carondelet neighborhood, it was actually annexed into the city of St. Louis in the 1870s. And since then, it's been one of the more historic areas of St. Louis. Take you downstairs. It's almost like a ladder staircase going straight down. Really common is people did not really use the basement like we do today. Would have been a dirt floor when first constructed. Obviously now we have the cement. Looks really good. We do have here the old dirt floor underneath the front porch. Looks like an original door as well. Not much use for it today. And then come back through. Really nice basement. Tuck pointing looks great as well. You got an updated furnace to my right. Hot water tank. Really nice 200 amp electrical panel. The entire house has been rewired. And we got the walkout basement door here. This will conclude our tour. Please check out the description below if you have any questions. Life schedule is showing. As always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.